Hi everyone, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a GIF in Photoshop, step by step. If you're into learning more Photoshop tricks, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Photoshop, then click on New File to create a new artboard. For this example, let's set it to 1000 pixels on each side, with a resolution of 72 dpi in RGB color mode, since this is for the web. Go ahead and create that file. Step 2. Now gather the images you want to use in your GIF. Drag and drop each image onto your artboard. Do this for each layer until all your images are in. Step 3. Next, let's remove the background if needed. In the Layers panel, click on the background layer, then on the lock icon to unlock it. Now, either press Delete or click on the trash icon at the bottom to remove it. Now let's set up our animation. Go to Window in the top menu and select Timeline. The Timeline panel will appear at the bottom of your workspace. Click on Create Frame Animation. Step 5. In the Timeline panel, you'll see that your first layer is displayed as a frame. Head over to the Layers panel and select all the layers you want to turn into frames. Then, in the Timeline panel, click on the menu icon on the right and choose Make Frames from Layers. Each layer will now be turned into a frame in your animation. Step 6. This is where you can start to customize the timing. Select each frame in the Timeline panel and set how long you want each frame to appear. Let's go with 1 second per frame for this example. You can also choose a looping option. If you want the GIF to loop continuously, set it to forever. Once everything looks good, go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web Legacy. In the options that appear, set the file format to GIF and hit Save. And there you have it. That's how you create a GIF in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.